Happy New Year to everyone who are viewing this video. May this year be one of the best years of your life. I wish for all of your good health. May you be prosperous and happy this year, forgetting all the tragedies in the past. So let's start the video without any further delay. Those who are visiting my channel first, heartily welcome. Please subscribe my channel if you like and press the bell icon to all for latest updates. Also see the complete video. Like, comment if you want to and share the video to your nearest ones. Hi everyone, I am Rosni. Today I will show you how to make carrot cream which is suitable for all skin types. See, I have taken one bowl of hot water. Wash it in hot water for 20 minutes. You know, carrots can do wonders on your skin. Carrot contains huge amount of antioxidants. And who does not want a healthy, glassy, soft, smooth, beautiful skin? Why always use commercial cream? Use this carrot cream once and you will fall in love with it. And you cannot leave it. Just use it for the whole winter. Then you can see your face will be as beautiful as moon. See, the carrot is so clean now. Now I will peel it off. Now I will grate it using a grater. See, it is so soft, so beautiful, so nice color. See, now I have taken homemade coconut oil. Now I will put the grated carrots in the oil. Now I will stir the mixture very well. Now I will take micron cloths and cover the container. Then I will keep it in the sun. See, so much sunlight in my window. I will keep the container here continuously for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, see the oil color is totally changed. So much beautiful color. Now I will stain it with a strainer. See the carrot oil. Now I will mix 6 drops of vitamin E oil in it. Next I will mix few drops of lavender essential oil. Next I will mix half teaspoon of glycerin. Then mix it very well. Now cover the full bowl using a plastic. Then keep it in fridge for 5 minutes. On the other hand, I will wash the empty container in warm water. See, after 5 minutes the carrot cream is looking so gorgeous. Now I will mix bits of saffron. Saffron contains antibacterial and antioxidants, quickly removes the acne. Then mix it very well. Now I will store it in a container. You can keep it in a normal place for 1 month. See this. So finally my carrot cream is ready. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, comment, share and subscribe. And those who are new, please subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss my upcoming video. Always be well. Take care. Bye.